Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos C10, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your phone up and navigate into Contacts, and from here tap on the three dots and go into the settings. In settings you will find two primary settings that we are looking for, which is the import and export, and tap on the import one. Let's just allow it. Import, and you get an option where you want to import the contacts from. So as this is for the SIM, so we're gonna choose import from SIM card, and you should see all the contacts that are located on the SIM. You can select simply all of them by tapping right here, or tap on each individual one that you wish to move, like so. And once you're satisfied with the ones that you have selected, all you need to do is just tap on done, and they get moved. And now if we go back to our contacts, you should see a little bit more contacts, and you can actually distinguish which one is which one. The one with like a number and an icon on the side is the one that is on your SIM card, while the ones that have nothing are the ones that are on your device. So yeah, that is basically how you would import the contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.